So this is going to be my first YouTube video. I'm not going to be reviewing all these toys out. I'm just going to be doing these, just showing off this cool little folder I got. Target, pretty cool folder. Baryonyx, T-Rex, Blue, pretty nice. And then, so the reason why I have all these little dinos out is I'm going to be opening one of the new packs where you can get not only just these series type, you can get the other types of dinosaurs. And then I also have the $7.99 Attack Pack Dimorphodon. So let's get started with the one pack. Alright, so I already have the Metrocanthosaurus, and it is a blue one. Alright, let's see if I can guess it. Oh, there's an Indoraptor, a Spino, an Allosaurus, Simicosaurus. Okay, guys, I'm going to guess this guy. I guessed right. Here we go. Got the Skimitosaurus. Its feature will be its jaw opening. Not that good of a one. I would have rather gotten the Allosaurus, the Indoraptor, the Spinosaurus I would really like to get, the Carnotaurus, and the Indoraptor. But yeah, so that was pretty nice. This is a big one though, really big one. Alright, pretty nice. Let's get to this Dimorphodon. Alright. Alright, so here's the Dimorphodon. So we're going to get a close-in look at him. It's pretty posable. A little 360 spin. He can pose his wings. 360 spin up and down. You've got the little scan printer thing for the app. Same with the other wing. You can tilt the head up and down. Open the mouth and close. But you can also put the feet in like flying position, landing position, and the tail is rubber, so you can just like move it around. But that's all for this toy. It's really nice. I really like it. And see you on the next video, guys. Bye-bye.